Well, remember to go budgerina, wouldn't you? You go now Dark and Young Ourimbah. Hello friend, good to see you. Today I'm on Dark and Young country. I'm up here again in Ourimbah State Forest as I was last week, but this week we're up here for Clean Up Australia Day. So as you can see, there's a few cars behind me. I've got Ben with his trailer, mine with my trailer sitting behind the camera. Kieran's over there with his. We've got Matt Judge and Luke as well with their cars. So there's a few of us up here with trailers, a couple of us without. But yeah, we should be able to clean up plenty and do our part to clean up the bush. So getting ready to pack up from camp now, and we've got to head down to Red Hill Road, the old Jeep's Revenge for those of you that know the area. And we've got to meet down there and get everything sorted. So he's down there.
So what's that?
If you want it, you can. I don't want it. Do you? I don't need it. So that's the result of it. Thank you very much for coming out. I think we're all going to work up a sweat today.
Alright, so we're back at the power lines where we camped last night. We're just going to grab anything that we see here. There was a bit of rubbish laying around. Cleaned up some big stuff before we left. There's a lot of small stuff we're going to go through getting now. Apparently there's a heap of tyres down here, so I've got to try and look for them. Ben's already gone back to the drop off. He's got the big cage trailer and he's already pretty well filled that with tyres and rubbish. We found some sharps, come across a little snake. So yeah, it's turning into a fun day already, and we've only been going for half an hour or something. Alrighty, so it's about time we call it a day now. So this will be Ben's second load going back. That ARB roof rack, what a waste. There's really nothing wrong with that, except it's a metal one, but that's a decent bloody roof rack. Some chairs, don't know what they're out of. Some more tyres and other car parts. And I've still got a load in the back of the trailer. Not a full one, but yeah. I've sent stuff back with Ben and that before. And then Jason down the bottom there, he's had his big twin axle trailer. He had that nice and chocker block for scrap metal and shit that he's just taken back as well. So that's 3 big, 1 small trailer load of stuff to go back today. And that's just us group of 4. So I'd be very interested to see what everyone else has got today. So we're back at the dump point. I love the way they're doing this now, the bloody cranes and the bulk bags. That is brilliant. So much easier. Not as much as I was expecting this time, but there's still others to come in by the look of it. So yeah, great fun. Love the old Land Rovers. That bloody uni, that's a beast of a thing too, eh? What a friggin' thing. Chasing the Dog. Check them out on YouTube. I've watched a couple of their videos before up in the Wadigans and that. And that thing is an absolute beast. Yeah, weapon. So we've just been given access down to the gated section of Red Hill Road. There was a fellow that was walking down here earlier, and he's pulled a whole heap of stuff out on the side of the road. So Ben's going down with his car and the trailer. Everyone else is sort of a little bit closer. But yeah, go down and we'll load all that into the trailer, and that'll be our final load for the day. That's 3.5 trailer loads. Like, that's 3 large trailers and my little one. That's a bloody lot of shit already. I was just talking to old mate from Chasing the Dog with the big Unimog, and he was saying they basically filled the first trailer in no time. It was within 10 minutes sort of thing. It's friggin' ridiculous the amount of shit that's up here. And as he was saying, you know, we're only scratching the surface out here. There's so much shit dumped that shouldn't be, but it is.
The butt of the joke is that the Maori are a car door in the desert.
Yeah.
And when asked why, it's I can open the window when it gets cold.
So that's about us. There's a bit of lunch going down the bottom for us. They always do that for us, which is good. Yeah, that's basically it. The trailers are getting unloaded. The last of our group. There'll be more coming back in. Yeah, that's it. So guys, yeah, that'll be it for today. It's only a short video for Clean Up Australia Day, always is, but if you've enjoyed it, remember to leave a like. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so. Remember guys, it doesn't actually have to be Clean Up Australia Day for you to clean up. If you can take it in, you can take it out. Alright, yama bujiri murugu, walk a good path. Yano, goodbye.